What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. This is my first video of the new year, so I just wanted to wish you guys a very happy new year. I hope you guys had a great celebration if you did, or some safe and quiet time with your loved ones. We're going to start off this year with a recent pickups haul style video. It's been about 2 months since my last, and I think you guys really enjoyed that one. So these videos are usually more info based with pricing, sizing, and where to get. And it also gives me a space to talk to you guys about each individual piece. So we've got about 9 items for today's video. So yeah, let's get into it. First up on my recent pickups is the Essentials by Fear of God 3-pack. I got these on Mr. Porter for about $100 US. I didn't manage to catch the drop, so basically everything sold out except for these. And the 3-pack actually sat for the longest time as well. I think people skipped out on these because of the different logo on the back compared to the usual inside-out stitching style. But these are such a great buy in my opinion. They've got really great color options and are just quality affordable basics. The 2 colors I specifically wanted were the brown and the grey. I already have a cream one, so I ended up passing it on to a friend. And I actually love the silhouette on these guys. They are different than the usual essential tees with a shorter and more boxy cut, but still very recognizably Fear of God-ish. And for $30 US a piece, you can't be mad. Sizing on these are a little different as well, so if you're looking to pick these up, I'd advise going at least a size up. I usually get my essential tees in a size large, and I went for a size XL on these. Next, we've got my new favorite pair of denim as of late. The Gucci regular fit stone bleached jean. I've been wearing these a lot, guys. Vintage wash denim are definitely an essential in every wardrobe, and I've been wanting to pick up a new pair for a while now. When I saw the wash on these Gucci ones, I was pretty much set on them. The shade of light blue on these is just so beautiful. Light blue denim also makes for super easy and versatile color matching. Pairing that with Gucci's Italian-made denim for some extra quality points. I wanted my denim to fit baggy as usual, so I went for a size 36 on these. For the record, your denim doesn't have to be from a big brand name. I just happened to have found these Gucci ones, and the wash on these completely sold me. I picked these up after seeing a photo from my brother at Del10 on Instagram. He paired his vintage wash denim with the off-white 4s, and it was just a really great pairing that I wanted to try it out for myself too. So yeah, shouts to you, bro. Next, on to some accessories. We've got a little bit more from Gucci. As you guys know, I'm more into silver jewelry, and I'm also insanely picky with my collection, so I get really ecstatic when I find something that I like. First up, we've got the Double G flower ring. This ring is actually from the women's collection, and again, I'm not really bothered with that distinction. I love this ring because of the flowers and the green gems. It really reminds me of like Japanese style jewelry. There are 3 gems on this ring, and they're all different colors, from dark green to light green and white. It's made of 925 silver as well, which is the best quality for silver jewelry. Very feminine but masculine looking at the same time. That balances really well with my current collection. Next is the sterling silver bead bracelet, also from Gucci. Remember when I said I couldn't find another bracelet to match well with my Saint Laurent chain? When I saw this in Gucci, I knew that I finally found the piece that I needed. The beads on this bracelet are so beautiful. Each bead has a wavy-like texture engraved onto it, which gives it an extra shiny appearance. The closure areas also have the same texture engraved onto them. Very simple piece, but the details on this really set it off for me. The smaller circular shapes on the beads stack really well with my Saint Laurent chain too. One of my absolute new favorite tees as of late, the AMI logo tee. I've already talked about this piece a little in my previous video. It really is quite the perfect oversized tee. If you're looking to explore outside of essentials by fear of God and want something oversized, better quality, and even a slightly cleaner and more matured aesthetic, I definitely recommend trying out some AMITs. Great boxy cut, thicker quality feel with a really clean silhouette. I got this for 20% off too on Mr. Porter, and as for sizing, I went for a size XL and it fits perfect. Slightly more accessories to get through. Next up, we have the Jacquemus neck wallet. I've always wanted one of these honestly, but the price point just didn't match the functionality of it. This thing is mad tiny, guys, and the retail goes for like $255 US, but I managed to get this on 65% off from Essence. This is actually the Essence exclusive colorway and also my favorite colorway, with the black leather and white contrast stitching. It's a perfect match for my Dior saddlebag, and although this thing looks super silly, I actually have a really functional use for it now. So I'm on Invisalign right now, guys, which is like the invisible bracers, and I have to carry this case around quite a bit. My Invisalign case actually perfectly fits inside the Jacquemus neck wallet, so it frees up some pocket space for me, plus gives me an extra accessory to play around and style with too. So I've actually been using this quite a lot, guys. Next up is the Casablanca logo monogram cap. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Casablanca. I love the new logo this season and was looking to pick something up from the collection. The monogram really reminds me of like vintage Celine or Chanel even. I got this on 35% off again from Essence, but I have to say, guys, it did not look this glittery and shiny on the photos. This thing is crazy glittery in real life. I'm not actually sure what to think of it right now, but maybe we'll try styling it around a little bit and I might end up liking it more in the future. And last on the list to wrap up my video, my COS pickups. This jumper is without a doubt my favorite pickup on the list. I've got a lot of questions about this piece. The knit on this piece is just beautiful. Amazing quality. Extremely cozy and comfortable as well. The pattern on this actually reminds me of a Dior camel motif. It's pretty much the same except for the Christian Dior down the middle. I've been wearing this jumper a lot as well, and it's also the jumper I was wearing in my last video. As for sizing, this jumper fits super oversized, so I went for a size L when I usually go for a size XL in COS. The best part about this is that I got this at 60% off at my local COS store. And lastly, these grey COS trousers. These are super lightweight and comfortable. Simple, slightly cropped grey staple pants. Very nicely oversized and flowy as well. I went for a size 50 on these, which fits like an L. I got these at 70% off too, so another really big steal. Sale season is just honestly the best season, guys. And there you go, guys. That was a quick update on my recent pickups. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul style video. I lucked out pretty well on the sales this season, which again is my favorite season. I love finding these fire pieces for the low. It makes the pickups so much more satisfying to me, honestly. And I hope you guys found some great deals as well. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share, or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoy my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. Big blessings into the coming year once again, guys. Much love, peace, and see you guys again soon.